What's up, you guys? So, a little update on me. I have had the stomach flu, and I only missed one day of work, but I technically didn't miss it because I had someone like kind of fill in for me. So I haven't really gotten anything done. I haven't been doing much pipe smoking. I'm only 4 bowls in to the Missouri Meerschaum Legend. Just to give you an update for those guys that are wondering how far I'm getting in on the testing on that. I'm gonna do a little vlog today. Me and Knox are heading to get some errands done, and then oh my gosh, they're doing like work at my complex on the on the pavement. It's driving me crazy, guys. So anyways, let's see if I can get out of here without hitting anything. Perfect. They expect us to like park on the road. So yeah, so stomach virus, Knox had it. I lost like 5 pounds. I missed 1 day of work. So at least I'm not like totally screwed. And Callie is gonna jump in the vlog tonight and give you guys an update on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we're starting her new series, which I told you guys I was gonna keep secret. Like I said, this channel isn't a pipe smoking channel necessarily or a vlog channel. It's kind of just like what I want to put on there. And she wants to be a part of it, so I'm going to let her. Tell me how you like the GoPro right now in the mount. I have like a really crazy rigged mount on my dash. It's actually pretty cool. It seems pretty solid. It's going to let me do a little bit of driving vlogging. I'm not going to vlog and drive unless it's like 100% hands-free, which this is. I've got a wireless connection to the GoPro right now because, guys, Knox is in the car sometimes, and I'm not going to risk like fooling around with any kind of camera equipment or vlog while he's in the car. That's just way too dangerous, and I'm a responsible parent. So I hope all you guys are doing well. Nothing really new in my life. We have, other than Callie's series starts, and then Callie's kind of the weekend planner of our vlogs, so I don't know what we're doing this weekend. So keep kind of updated for that. And yeah, me and Knox might go to the park. We're gonna go do some errands first. All right, guys, hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye. All right, guys, this is kind of a testament on how my day might go. I come to Fry's store. It's like a thing that's in Arizona. It's just like it's actually owned by Kroger, if you're familiar with that company, but sometimes they have sample sushi. So let's go see if they have any sample sushi. It always makes Callie mad because I make her get a sample. Obviously she doesn't like sushi, and if you know her at all, she's a very picky eater. And then I get Knox a sample. He's like he's like barely a year old. He doesn't eat sushi. So I usually walk out of there with 3 pieces of sushi. So cross our fingers. Let's see if they have sample sushi in here. Hey Knoxy, say hey. Say hey, buddy. Knox just wanted to tell you guys, hey. So okay, we're walking into Fry's right now. Okay guys, they have sample sushi, it looks like. Here we go. You ready, Knoxy? Huh? You ready? Alright. We're sneaking up on it. Oh, please don't be empty. Please don't be. Oh, no. Oh, they don't have any sample sushi, buddy. Knoxy, they don't have any sample sushi. Alright, real talk, peeps. So, all joking aside, I do buy the sushi sometimes. I just like taking advantage of the sample sushi. But I just wanted to... How's it going, man? I just wanted to give you guys kind of a sample of... Is your grocery store sushi game like this? Huh? Yeah, I don't think so. Look at that. So yeah, that's what we have to work with here. So it looks really good. You wanna say hey again, Knoxy? Huh? You wanna say hey again? Huh? Huh? Alright, we only came here for one thing, but as always, I get distracted by stuff. Alright, so we are leaving Fry's food store. There was no sample sushi, as you saw. And now we're going to go to the Kiwanis Park, and we're going to do a lap or 2 with him in his stroller and me walking. I'm going to like get back into a little bit of cardio, and I think I can just start running again, but I'm gonna try that tonight. I don't like running when I'm like kind of watching Knox. I need to focus on him more. But yeah, we're gonna go to the park and he's gonna get to see some cool stuff. It's called Kiwanis Park. It's in Tempe. It's the most, I don't care, hands down, what anyone says, Kiwanis Lake Park in Tempe is the prettiest park in Arizona that I've been to yet. So if you're ever in the area, it's on Baseline and Mill, and it's called the Kiwanis Lake Park. So go check it out, guys. Are you ready to have some fun? Huh? Say hey. So Daddy's ready to get some exercise is what's gonna happen. Say hey. All right, guys. What is it, Stinky? Come on. Yeah. Woo! Hey, Knox, let's go check out the ducks. In my experience, ducks will let you get a little bit closer to them than pigeons. Pigeons are basically rats with wings. Oh, Mama is gonna be mad when she sees how close I let you get to the ducks. Oh, there they go. Completely wrong. Let's see if we can get a shot of this mallard up here. It's so beautiful. Look, Knoxie, look. Shh. You gotta be quiet. You gotta be quiet or it'll fly away. Look. Do you see it? You gotta be quiet. That's a duck. You know what a duck says? Quack, quack, quack. Oh, here they come. Here they come, Knoxie. Here they come, buddy. Look. They're coming to tell you hey. Don't get so close to the water. You're going to get me in trouble. Oh. Yeah, you like that? Is that sun in your eyes, buddy? All right, say time to go home. All done. Say all done. Say all done. This lazy kid. Well, interesting update on the park. So I saw this guy, and he's coming back with a fishing pole, and I always see people fishing here. Actually, I'll do a story time video one day of something I saw here. Okay. So actually, I might do that in this video. I will. I'll give you guys a funny story. But anyways, so I see this guy coming back with his fishing equipment, and I looked at him and I was like, hey, any luck? I always ask fishermen that because I like to fish. And he goes, yeah, I caught 2 trout. So I'm going to have to come fish here, and that's going to be a cool vlog. They say they have largemouth bass, trap, carp, and something else. Okay, quick story time. So me and Callie this was before Knox was born. We lived in Arizona for maybe 2 or 3 months, so we're fresh out of Georgia. So, and my friends have all heard this story. It's one of the craziest things that's ever happened. So, you know, we don't see many Southerners out here. And off in the distance, I hear Luke Bryan playing. And I see this guy, probably 20 to 25 years old, got his Ariat boots on, his blue jeans on, and he's got his Luke Bryan playing on his iPhone in his pocket, you know, and he's fishing. And I see some bait coming back towards him from his fishing pole, and it's causing waves and ripples in the water. And I was like, okay, what the hell is that? So I'm looking even closer, and I swear to God, this guy has like a foot-long rat, dead, drowned rat that's floating literally on top of the water on his hook. And I looked at him and I said, hey, what are you doing? And he goes, in the most non-southern voice, he goes, I read on the internet that using a drowned rat is a great way to catch largemouth bass. Guys, I'm not judging here. I've caught bass in my life. Don't even know if I've ever caught a bass the size of the rat he had, but it was like the weirdest, probably one of the weirdest things I've seen in my whole life. So comment below like what you think about that. That's my story time for today. And me and Callie just walked off, but he fit the role of like some super country dude, and he's fishing with a dead drowned rat. Here's the question everyone asks me, and to this I don't know the answer to. How did he acquire the rat? I don't know. Alright guys, the next time you're going to see me will be at dinner time. Callie's got an announcement about Wednesday.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching the vlog and hanging out with us today. And I wanted to let you guys know that I am going to start a series. It's going to be called Cooking with Callie. I think I'm going to spell it with a K. Ha, get that? Okay, anyways. And I have a surprise dinner for Matthew planned. And that'll be my first video, so that I'll do Wednesday. And I'm going to try to get at least one done a week. I think that's pretty reasonable. And I don't want to like overload and then run out of stuff to do. So, tonight we made shredded chicken nachos. But we will talk to you guys later. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace.